Guten Morgen, ich heiße Jerry und heute sprechen wir über ein neues Thema, die Verben, the verbs. Now, what are verbs? Verbs describe our action. Verb describes what we are doing. Ein Verb beschreibt die Handlung des Subject. Verb describe the action of a subject. Now, what is the subject in the sentence doing? What action he is doing? Like here in the picture, you can see the girl is swimming. So here the verb is schwimmen. Einen Vorgang. Ein Verb beschreibt einen Vorgang. Verb describes the occurrences, like what is happening in and around. How is the weather today? It is raining. Es regnet. So verb is regnen. Ein Verb beschreibt Gefühle, Zustände, Situationen, feelings, conditions, situations. Now, what is my feeling toward chocolate? I love chocolate. Ich liebe Schokolade. Her verb is lieben. So ein Verb beschreibt die Handlung des Subjekts, einen Vorgang und Gefühle, Zustände, Situationen. Now, this is the first verb which we will be going to learn. Heißen. This verb I am using from my first recording because without this verb you can't start your communication. If you are beginner in Deutsch, we all are beginners. So if we will start our communication in a group of people and we want to ask the different people's name or we want to know his or her name, then we have to learn that how can we use this verb with different pronouns. Till now, we have used this verb with ich und du. Ich heiße Stefan, du heißt Rohan. Now, infinitive form of verb is heißen. Now, the underlined part is the stem of the verb. Now, infinitive form of verb will always remain same and ends with an. And the stem of the verb is heiß. The endung will be formed after seeing the pronoun. Like if pronoun is ich, then verb will become ich heiße. Stem form of verb is heiß, which will be same with all pronouns. But what will be changing? The ending. Ich heiße. Du heißt. Sie es heißt. Sie, here is the Sie is for you formal. Sie heißen. Wir heißen. Er heißt. Sie, sie heißen. Ich heiße, du heißt. Sie, es heißt. Sie heißen, wir heißen. Er heißt, sie heißen. Now we will see how we can use this verb with different pronouns in a sentence. Like here you can see different pictures. In first picture, girl is pointing toward herself. Ich heiße Sonia. I am Sonia. Now in second picture, girl and boy. Boy is pointing toward girl. Du heißt Tina. You are Tina. In third picture, you can see the picture of a boy. Heißt Matthew. In fourth picture, there is a girl. Sie heißt Tina. She is Tina. Now, in another picture, we can see a group of people describing themselves. Wir heißen Indianer. We are Indians. Now, in our last picture, we can see a group of people holding German flags. Sie heißen Deutsch. They are Germans. Now, our next verb is kommen, to come. Now, the infinitive form of verb is kommen, which will always take the ending an. And the stem of the verb is underlined kom, which will be same with all pronouns and difference will be there in the ending. Ich komme. Du kommst. Sie es kommt. Sie kommen. Wir kommen. Er kommt. Sie kommen. Now we will look how we can use this verb with different pronouns in a sentence. Ich komme aus Indien. I am from India. Du kommst aus Deutschland. You are from Germany. Er kommt aus Spanien. He is from Spain. Sie kommt aus Frankreich. She is from France. Wir kommen aus Italien. We are from Italy. Sie kommen aus Brasilien. They are from Brazil. So these are the different countries' name. So basically the verb common is used to describe from where you are originated, like your origin, your motherland. Common is basically used with country's name. Now wohnen. The verb common we use to tell where we are from, like what is our motherland. And wohnen is used to describe where we are currently living. To live. Now the infinitive form of verb is wohnen. Stem is underlined. Won. Stem will be remain in every pronoun, but the difference will be there in ending. Ich wohne, du wohnst, sie es wohnt, sie wohnen, wir wohnen, wohnt, sie wohnen. Now, if you will keep on revising these verb forms, you will see a rule that with ish, verbs and always with a. With do, verbs and always with st. With s und verbs and always with te. With sie, wir und sie, verbs and always with an. They will take infinitive form. Now we will see how we can use this verb in with different pronouns in a sentence. Now here I have used the different cities of India. Ich wohne in Delhi. Du wohnst in Chandigarh. You live in Chandigarh. Er wohnt in Hyderabad. He lives in Hyderabad. Sie wohnt in Mumbai. She lives in Bombay. She lives in Mumbai. We are born in Calcutta. We live in Calcutta. Sie wohnen in Srinagar. They live in Srinagar. So here I have described how the verb changes according to the pronoun and how we can use heißen, common and wohnen in sentences with different kind of verbs. So try to communicate, try to use these verbs in your communication. So this is enough for today. Thank you. Cheers.